Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a Type 2 hypervisor on top of your host operating system. I'm currently using Ubuntu desktop version 20.04 and will demonstrate how to install VirtualBox version 6.1.10 to the terminal. Afterwards, I will create a virtual machine using the Ubuntu image download from their website. I will not go through the process of installing Ubuntu in this video because the main focus is demonstrating a Type 2 hypervisor, which in this case is using an Oracle's VirtualBox software to emulate a virtual machine. The commands used in this video I will leave in the description below. So let's begin with installing VirtualBox. After this, we're going to update the package. After this, we're just going to open up VirtualBox through the command. And we're going to create a new virtual machine. We're going to name this Ubuntu 20.04 for the version. Go to next. Give it 4 gigs of RAM. Create a virtual hard disk now. We're going to use the VDI box disk image so we can select the folder later on. Select dynamically allocated, and we're going to give it 20 gigs of storage just for demonstration purposes. Here afterwards, we're going to go to the settings, to the system, or storage I meant, and go to this disk icon right here. Click on the disk, choose a disk file, and we're going to choose the operating system that we want to emulate right now, which is Ubuntu. OK, and press start. Over here, it shows that you want to open and start it. Press start. And I will just go to the try to install Ubuntu page just to show that it works. We're just going to wait until it installs. I'm just going to go try Ubuntu and we're going to finish there. Make sure that it works. There we go. Thank you for watching.